Welcome back to another new exciting video, guys. In this video I will discuss about a new tool and its name is LLM Fit. It is completely a free tool which will decide to check if a LLM fits in your system or not. So here you see that this is the interface, and here on the right hand side, the second column, we have a column fit, and it is telling that perfect, marginal, good. So let me give you a background. Sometimes what happens that when a new model get published, we generally download that model, and after that when we run that model, then we find that this model cannot fit in our system. So what happens that we waste our time, we waste our memory, because later when we find that it cannot fit in our system, then we need to clean up that space. Okay, so this is a completely waste of time. Now to resolve that, we have this LLM Fit tool, and this is a GitHub repository. Here you see that if you scroll down below, they have written many things, that hundreds of models and providers, one comment to find what runs on your hardware. So it will completely check your hardware. A terminal tool that right sizes LLM models to your system's RAM, CPU, and GPU and detects your hardware, scores each model quality, speed, feed, and context dimensions, and tells you which one will actually run well on your machine. Okay, and the thing is that they have a completely good looking UI, where it is understandable that whether this model can be run in your machine or not. And let me just select one of the models, and don't worry, I will show you step by step process that how to use this and how to install it. So let me just select this Qwen 7 billion chat. Okay, so if I just select this model, just press enter, and here you see that you will find the details, the model, the provider, and also the context, and also this overall percentage. And here you see that system feed is the marginal, and follow my cursor. So marginal means this model can be run in your laptop, but you may face kind of lagging issue. Okay, so just let me show you how to install this. And so first of all, for Windows, you need to install this scoop. It is nothing kind of fancy. This scoop can be installable easily, so I'll show you. And if you are on Mac or Linux, then you can easily install it with the help of brew command. Okay, so for Windows, just go to this scoop installation guide. Here you see that they have written. Just click on this link and you will find this page. Okay, and here you see that they have given two command. Okay, this is the two command they have given, so just copy these two command. Okay, just copy this and open your Windows PowerShell. Okay, open your Windows PowerShell and here just paste it. Okay, and here you see that scoop is already installed, because I have already installed it to check how this LLM feed actually works. So in your case, you will find the message that scoop install success. Okay, this kind of. Now after you install the scoop, just run this command, scoop install LLM feed, to install the LLM feed, right? So here you see, just open your CMD and here run it. Now remember one thing, to install scoop, you need to run this command inside PowerShell. When your scoop installed, then you can use your CMD. But if you install the scoop in your CMD, then you may not get the expected result, or you may face error. So install scoop inside PowerShell, and after your scoop install, then run this command in your CMD. Okay, and here you see that scoop was updated successfully, because I have already installed this LLM feed before. Now when I am installing again, the new version got installed. Okay, because if you go to their repository, here you see that they are constantly updating this repository. You see that 10 hours ago they have already merged some of the pull requests and added some features, right? Now the command, so the command is this LLM feed. So just copy this command. Okay, and let me close all of this. Let me close all of this, and this one also. Okay, so let me just open a new CMD. So open a new CMD and just write LLM feed. Okay, just write LLM feed. Okay, now press enter. Here you see that you saw that message, right? Detecting the hardware. And after that, here you see that if I just make it large, this is the RAM on the upper portion. Here you see that the RAM available, and also it is showing me the GPU that is available in my system, and also the CPU it is available in my system, it is showing it. Okay, and also this version i5 and this 13th generation, this kind of information. And below here you see that all of these models are showing, like you see that Microsoft 5 mini mixture of expert and this liquid AI LFM2. Okay, all of this. Now to find the particular model, here you see that there is a search bar. Now it is showing, it is telling me that press slash. So if I just press slash, and here you see that it is taking me this input box. Now if I just write GLM, okay, GLM, here you see that GLM is showing. Now in case of GLM, here you see that it is not perfectly fit in my system. It is showing me that feed is too high. Okay, feed is too high. So that means I cannot install or I cannot use this model locally in my system. Okay, so that's why I need to take the third-party provider like OpenRouter or GLM5 official API endpoint. I cannot install it locally. I need more space to run this. Now, if I just select this GLM5 here and press enter, here you see the detail overall breakdown it has shown us, like the model and also the token. So basically the problem is token. Here you see that it has the 200k tokens, and also the size is very large. Okay, and it on the right hand side you see that they are showing the nodes: insufficient VRAM, system RAM need 386 GB VRAM or 421 GB system RAM, but I have this 3.2 GB RAM available, so I cannot run this. Another model, let me just show you. I have already run this. Okay, so where is that model? This one. Here you see the Alibaba Coin 3.59 billion. So if you see that Coin 3.59 billion model has a 262k context window. Okay, and that's why it is telling me that too tight. So the model size is 9 billion, but as the context window length is 262k, so that's why I cannot run this. And let me show you one interesting thing. So you know that I made this video, this one, Qwen 3.5 plus Claude 4.6 Opus reasoning. So this was the model from Jackrong. Okay. Now this model is also 9 billion, but I can run this model locally. How? Because this is a distilled model and this is a quantized version model. So if I just search here context, okay, context, here you see that 16,000 token context window. So actual Coin 3.59 billion model, if you see actual Coin 3.59 billion, where is that? Actual Coin 3.59 billion, here you see this model has a context window of 262k, but this quantized distilled model has a context window of 16k, which is very less. Okay, so this model can be run. So let me just show you. Suppose you want to check that this model can be run or not in my system. Okay, now remember one thing, that this LLM feed has a by default some of the models in their database. Okay, so the models that are not present in the database, you cannot check that model. Okay, you cannot check that model. So one thing you can do, you can use this command LLMfit plan. Okay, so as this model Coin 3.59 billion is a base model, and this is a distill model, and you want to check if this distill model can be run in your machine or not. So you can just define this context here, because this model has a 16k context window. So you can just write LM fit plan Coin 3.59 billion and context is 16k. Okay, base model had a 200k token context window, but if the context window is 16k, then can it be run? So here you see that, then it will give you the plan. And here you see the yes, here you see that GPU yes, CPU upload yes, CPU only yes. So CPU only yes, that means this model can be run in my machine. And also here you see that this is good, perfect and runnable, it is telling me. So in this way you can check. So if the model is not present in this list, okay, in this list, then you can check any other model by setting the context window. Okay, so just keep the boolean size same, and just change the context window by writing this hyphen hyphen context and give that number. Okay, and don't write 16k in at if you write 16k, then it will give you the error. You have to just provide the proper number. Okay, so this was a detailed video that I have explained you, and I hope that you found this video very helpful. And if you got the some meaningful information from this video, don't forget to subscribe this channel, don't forget to like this video also. See you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye, take care. And last summary, just I want to give you, all of the comments are given in description. Go there and check. And one comment is LLM Fit. Just write LLM Fit and press enter. You will get the whole list. And after that, if you want to search any particular model, just press slash command, and then you will go to this search bar here, and there you can type it. Okay, and if you want to plan, or if you want to check any other model that are not present in that list, then just write in this way, hyphen hyphen context, and provide the context window and keep the model size same, um, and you will get your expected result. Okay, okay, see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye, take care.